Can we live in other planets than Earth? Many scientists are trying to find a planet with similar characteristics to those of the Earth. Making it happen isn't as easy as it takes several years to discover just one new planet in the solar system. So, can we live in other planets other than the blue planet? When it comes to answer this question, we have to take in consideration many factors that can make this execution possible. With our actual technology, it doesn't seem possible to experts to travel out to other planets. The planets like Mercury and Venus are impossible to reach nowadays, but maybe in the future days we can develop some new ways to travel into space and that way to explore more about our Milky Way. The most considered planet by many scientists is Mars. It is for now the most similar planet to Earth. We found some living sites that gave us hope to that planet. Needless to say that Mars is quite far away from Earth and so we do have to improve our technology capacities. In addition to that, some research were made and it has been concluded that in the time that Mars and Earth will be the nearest possible to each other, we need to travel for 6 months. And that is a long time especially for astronauts. Some big companies like SpaceX are trying to solve this issue. They explain that to be able to be there, we need to create a similar gravity to Earth. It is one major problem that we have to solve before landing there. Because if we have to make this planet our second place to live, we have to make sure that every living condition are filled. And one of the issues we can encounter is water. Lately, some robots like the Perseverance has been launched to travel to Mars and landed there. When the first images were captured, some huge polar ice surfaces appeared. So if we followed what was recorded there, we can say that Mars has a big potential to be the next planet we will live on. But to confirm that, personally there is the best thing to do. As for the other problems, food on Mars, oxygen are some crucial points we need to focus on, those 2 points. That can be the key to be there. Even with some of these problems getting solved, astronauts cannot stay in the space ship in this long time. Some questions have been told to some experts and according to the responses, most of them agreed with the fact that humans are designed to live on a blue planet because of the psychological factor. It seems impossible to a human to see the Earth disappearing from his sight and that can result in a mental breakdown. However, some people thought about planting some trees and plants in the spaceships to bring the Earth immersion and to stay in a good psychological current. In conclusion, we may have the opportunity to travel to Mars, but it's just not for now, and scientists and experts need to do more research to make this revolutionary event occur and totally change.